Hi everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a really quick video just showing you how to draw straight lines in Photoshop, very basic. So the first thing I'm going to do is press B to select my brush. Make sure you've got a colour selected that's not white like me. So ordinarily if I try draw a line, it might go something like that. Not great. So what we're going to do on this next line is we're going to hold down Shift. So I've put my pen on the paper, Shift, keep hold of that and drag along. So if you don't press Shift straight away, you might end up with a little weird bit like this. If you press Shift straight away as you draw, you should be fine. This works for drawing vertical and horizontal lines perfectly. But for anything in between that, another way to do it is to tap on your screen with your brush, like so. Hold down Shift and tap again, like so. So you can do that literally. You could press Shift again and the last point you clicked on to the next point. And you could keep going like that. And that's it, guys. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what other Photoshop tutorials you guys want to see next. And as always, make sure you subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, everyone.